Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to fix the missing broadcast channel option. First, you have to open your Instagram account and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, in order to do that, all you have to do is first you have to exit this application and go to your Google Play Store. On your Google Play Store, you have to search for Instagram and there shouldn't be a button that says update there. It should be open. Because if you can see a button that says update, you have to update your application in order for you to get access or to use the latest version and features of Instagram. Now exit Google Play Store, go to Instagram, long press Instagram application, and you can see their option that says app info. Tap that one. And then here you have to tap or click this storage usage and look for clear cache. You have to click this clear cache. And then once done, you can go back and look for permission, which is under manage notifications. And then you have to allow all of this calendar, contacts, location, and phone. In order to do that, you just have to click and then click allow so that this Instagram will have access to this options here, features here. Okay, click allow, and that's it. Now do this to all of these features and options here. Okay, now once done, exit the application, go to your Instagram, and then here you have to check if the broadcast channel appears on your Instagram account. If not, then the last thing you should do is to simply go to this three lines at the top right corner. As you can see, I can't see the broadcast channel here. So let's do this, report this problem. Go to settings and privacy, scroll down and look for help, which is this one, tap this one. Click report a problem, click report problem without shaking, and then tap include and continue. Now here you have to be specific with your problem. You can say here, you can enter here, hello, please help me. I can't find my or create broadcast channel, something like that. But everything is up to you. This is just a tutorial or an example, but you can also copy this one. Okay, and then below here, you can upload any proof or screenshot any proof here. And then once done, click send. And you have to wait for a couple of days for the customer service team to respond and take action to this problem. And they will send you an instruction how to get access to this feature, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I do really hope that this video helped you. See you again in our next video tutorials.